In the evolving world of industrial automation, two powerful forces are at play: traditional robots and collaborative robots, commonly known as cobots. Robots are automated machines, excelling in speed and precision, often used in high-volume manufacturing. Cobots, on the other hand, are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing and complementing their capabilities. Safety is where robots and cobots truly differ. Traditional robots require safety barriers, operating at high speeds. Cobots, designed for interaction, come equipped with safety sensors, working safely alongside humans. Traditional robots dominate structured, high-speed environments like auto manufacturing. Cobots thrive in diverse settings, from packaging and quality inspection. When it comes to flexibility, cobots take the lead with easy programming and adaptability, ideal for varied tasks. Traditional robots, while efficient, require specialized programming for specific tasks. In terms of investment, cobots offer affordability and lower operational costs, while traditional robots require a higher initial investment but excel in handling heavy loads. Whether it's the autonomous efficiency of traditional robots or the adaptive collaboration of cobots, both are pivotal in driving the future of industrial automation. While deciding on your options, consider the purpose, application, cost, and maintenance carefully, and choose the right vendor for long-term success.